Okay, is Benny Boy going to go and rescue the seagull? That's the seagull just there. And for those of you who are watching in black and white, Benny is here.
With red gloves on. It's okay, Cyril, I'm coming.
There he goes. Again, that's Ben there, and the seagull is there. Here we go. James Bond. Have you got a box of milk tray with you?
How the hell did you do that? I'll grab its face.
Grab its beak, otherwise it's going to bite you, isn't it? Oh, I told you. Beak.
A stick or something, I think.
A stick?
Figure it out.
Hang on. Absolutely. Is this what's known as shaking a stick at it?
Shaking Stevens.
Shaking Stevens. There you go.
Come on, Sonny. Out we get.
You might break its wing.
Only feathers.
You're better off grabbing its...
I need to grab the whole bloody bird.
You're going to hurt it that way, I think.
Really?
You might have to grab its face.
It got in it, didn't it?
Huh?
It got in it.
Oh, yeah. You might have to grab its head.
I hate birds.
I hate them as well. Especially this one.
I'm trying to help you, Sonny. If he bites me, is it going to hurt?
Well, you got gloves on. So you're going to be quicker than that.
I don't like them across this.
RSPCA job then.
Do you not reckon I could just pull it out?
No, you're going to break its wing.
Well, he got in there.
Well, it doesn't mean you're going to break it to get it out.
I reckon that'll come out.
But you're going to push it back the other way, haven't you?
Yeah, just through here. Yeah, I'll bite that, son.
That's it. Give him something to concentrate on.
Don't you know I'm trying to do my van today?
That's right. Keep its head back. That's a good idea.
Fuck off, you cunt. He's trying to bite me.
Oh no.
Baby one as well, isn't it?
Dunno. Should know better.
Yeah, that's not coming out.
I'll call the RSPCA out.